Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the works? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Mother's Day edition of the Jamaican cooking journey. All you new right on over here, welcome once more. Thank you so much. Now, the very first thing before, because this is a small video, I'm gonna give you a dessert. I'm trying to get it up to you today, because you know dessert are way down in the evening, going almost in the night. You can run out and get yourself all of these that we're gonna use and make mom's dessert. Okay, so we are not all that late. But I want to take this opportunity to wish each and every single one of you who have clicked that subscribe button to this here, the Jamaican cooking journey, aka West Indian Delights, a peaceful, very first and foremost. Second, a blessed, then a happy Mother's Day. Be it grandma, great grandmom, aunts, you name it, biological, non-biological mothers, Mr. Moms. Those are the fathers who are doing better jobs than some mothers. Blessed, blessed. You know, this is like the commercialized part of it, but we still have to celebrate it, because as Camera Girl said in a video on the Jamaican Debbie Debs, Mother's Day for her, she thinks, is every day, and I so think that. But as we are celebrating this little special day, let's work together and celebrate it. And can I say something? I've gotten the very best Mother's Day present from each and every single one of you. Thank you. We have surpassed the 10,000 subscribers mark. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. The best is yet to come. Thank you. Now today, we are in the process of sharing with you how to put together a nice, scrumptious little Mother's Day dessert to top of that cake, that Mother's Day cake, that is the top of that Mother's Day celebration for the afternoon. And if you feel like, say, you can carry this. For me, can we say this right now on West Indian Delights? Mother's Day celebration has been extended to 11:59, the 14th of May 2018. Thank you. We can carry it straight back into tomorrow. Now, first and foremost, we are going to want a few things, quite a few things. So we have some here, and the rest are being refrigerated. What we want first and foremost, we are going to use a little butter. We are trying to put together a sort of fruity. There's some, it's like some people say banana split sundae. We're putting together a little fruity sundae in a little different. We're doing it a little different, you know. So what you need first and foremost is a ripe banana. Not overripe, but a ripe banana. Now you're going to need your saucepan or your frying pan or whatever. So you're going to put into this, you're going to put it on your heat, and you're going to put about a teaspoon, yes, of butter. That is on the heat and it's melting. Leave it right there. Mine was coming from the fridge. You're going to peel your banana, and when you peel it, your hands must be clean first and foremost. Okay. We're going to need some banana slices. Not too thin, not too thick. Just like that. Riding and whistling again. You want to get this butter out. Yeah. So it's going to melt, because we're going to sort of like caramelize the banana slices in the butter. So, cut up a banana, slice them. We might use some, we might use all. Not sure. But let us do as we go along. Well, we know what we're doing as we go along. Okay? You want to get your heat up to about medium. To that now, you're just going to put a pinch of a cinnamon powder just to get a little flavor to those banana slices. Not a lot. Not a lot. Okay? Now, we're going to leave those banana slices to caramelize on the medium. Caramelizing them in the butter, or you know, you want them to come a little more softened, taking that butter flavor and taking the cinnamon as we go along. So we're going to leave them on the medium heat, constantly watching them. We're going to go now, get the rest of the ingredients, so when you see us next, we'll be able to put together this easy squeezy Mother's Day dessert. Okay, now family, this is our bananas all caramelized. You don't want them, you notice the caramelization, it gets them a little softer. And with all this nice little mushiness from the butter and the cinnamon powder, all of that. No salt, because the ripe banana don't need any salt onto it. That is how we have it. Now we have got our dessert dish here. We're going to use some mango slices too. You're going to layer them, try to set them at a point. Okay, want them up. So as soon as you put one, the other one will enhance the other one to stay up. Okay, now we have that, and that's out of the way. You're gonna need some vanilla, some plain ice cream, or ice cream of your choice. But I think plain ice cream, grape nut and all of those wouldn't go at this point. I'm using vanilla. So we want to take out a few scoops. Let me go take out a few. Let me go do some muscle work off a camera and return, okay? The trick is to get like 1, 2, 3 scoops on top here. But it's gonna take me a little muscle work and a little time, so me soon come back, eh? Muscle work time over, family. So you want to get the 3 scoops of ice cream in line. You have to do it with a height, a E. Can I say something to you? My ice cream is a little bit on the cheap side. So it doesn't matter, does it? But if you have nicer ice cream, the more smoother the ice cream, the better the quality of ice cream, the smoother the scoop. Doesn't matter, because it can go straight down over there. Now that you have it, you want to use your caramelized bananas. And you want the banana is warm. So the trick here is to get the banana melting that frozen ice cream, because you want the ice cream to start melting. So we have the warm caramelized banana, and we are using it to melt the ice cream. Now that we have that, we are gonna go ahead, scoop of 2 more scoops of ice cream and top it. Soon come back. Most of our time we have to come off a camera. Okay, now family, it looks like a beauty already. It look eatish already. Camera girl is getting very, very cunning. So now you want to put 2 now at the top, on top there, next to each other. Simple. It's a simple thing. You just get a few Oreo cookies and you just give it a beat, put it in something. You want to get, if you have chocolate chips sprinkles, you can use them, but just use a little Oreo cookie. Smash it, sort of fine. Get it as fine as you can, almost looking like the chocolate chip sprinkles. Make sure your hands are clean. They should be clean. So you want to put a little on top. No bother butchai. That's okay. Okay? Let me rinse my hands. And you can lick off your finger too when you're done. You rinse it in easier. One is your mother own. Now we're going to use some chocolate syrup, whether store-bought or homemade. We have store-bought today, but we still can do homemade. But the time was against us. You want to get it in a sort of squeezy bottle. And it must be cold. So you want to drizzle it in no particular way. You just want to have a nice little thing. Let it stay on the ice cream and don't butcher it. Okay? Now that you have that, you're going to put now a little colored sprinkles on the top. Be careful. Just a notch. Okay? Hands are clean. We have some cherries here. And if you have the one that has the stem, so much the better. This is the final touch on mom's dessert. Right there on the plate. Spoon to the rescue. There you have it. Mother's Day dessert. I told you I had something coming for you. I did tell you. Remember to like, share, and remember to leave your comments below. Okay, when you do subscribe, remember to hit that notification bell that as soon as another dessert drop, you're onto it. Happy Mother's Day once more from my kitchen to yours. Please enjoy.